A lot of folks are concerned. It's one of the top stories searched on 11alive.com.
Well, we're going to be watching this system move our way, starting off as rain on Saturday. In fact, here's a look at the timing that we're watching. That rain late Saturday and then overnight Saturday into Sunday, that's when we're going to see that changeover to a winter mix. And that precip type looks like it would be freezing rain and sleet when it makes that changeover first. And then it goes over to snow throughout the day on Sunday. So some of the impacts would be dangerous travel possible and that potential for some power outages, especially where we see that wind whipping up to 35 miles an hour, and any ice that could accumulate on tree limbs could come down and hit those power lines and cause some of the outages. So here is the side-by-side comparison of the American model and the European model. And if you've been following us the past couple of days, you know the European model has been showing a lot more snow. The American model has been showing less. And it's still the case there, but it looks like these models are trying to come together a little bit more. And we hope to have a little more uniformity within that over the next couple of days as we get closer to Saturday and into Sunday. So the American model, both of these show the higher amounts up in northeast Georgia, and the European showing a lot more of that snow possible in northeast Georgia. So I'm thinking that it will be kind of in the middle of these models of what we're expecting. Us seeing snow here in Atlanta, some of those accumulations that could be an inch to maybe up to 2 inches here. And then those higher amounts, we're talking 2 to 6 inches in northeast Georgia, and maybe even in the higher elevations, 6 to 10 inches of snow. We're also watching the potential for ice. I also think with these models, it'll be in between this one. This one, the American model is not showing much ice. The European is showing a little bit more. I still think even if this does extend into the metro Atlanta area, it would be light accumulations of ice, nothing particularly that thick. So now, let's talk about the timing. All right, we're going to be fine tomorrow. A mostly sunny day. Temperatures are going to be up into the 50s. And then on Saturday, clouds increase. We see the rain coming in the evening hours on Saturday, the liquid variety of precip. All right, then as that moisture moves in, it's going to hit this shallow layer of cool air at the surface, that wedge, and it's going to be really cool. So that rain falls through that layer, and it would be either freezing rain or sleet as it starts off. We'll see that mixing throughout the morning hours Sunday, and then later on Sunday, it changes over to snow. Some of that around Atlanta, even some snow falling south of I-20, but those higher amounts here in North Georgia. Now the important thing is, when does this end? We think the precip will be ending overnight Sunday into Monday, but whatever is left on the ground here on Monday morning will be very slick because temperatures will be below freezing, and then hopefully we'll see some slow melting taking the place as we go into next week. So tomorrow's good. Saturday, increasing clouds, rain late, and then that changeover takes place on Sunday. That's where we're going to see those weather conditions deteriorating as we see that change over to sleet and then snow, and it stays cold with temperatures around 39, then below freezing Monday morning. So whatever is left on the ground, even though the precip ends, whatever is on the ground is going to be slick. Some melting Monday when we get to 44, and then possible freezing on Tuesday morning down to 28, and then melting more later this week with another low rain chance Wednesday, back to 40% chance for showers on Thursday with highs back to the 50s.